When discussing collaborative divorce options with potential clients, I very often hear, well, Jackie, that sounds great, but that sounds very expensive. And the truth is that a collaborative divorce can be expensive, but I can confidently say to you that it is a better use of your hard-earned money than the alternative of litigation. When choosing a divorce option for you, you can either go with mediation, collaborative, or litigation. Mediation is best for cases that are not very complex and for families that want to keep everything within their control and outside of court. But when there's a bit more complexity, whether it be financial or emotional, a collaborative divorce can be a great option. Although you'd have to pay a retainer fee and be billed hourly for our services, there are 2 attorneys, one for each party, and also perhaps adding on other professionals to the team of a financial neutral and a family specialist. Although there are 4 different professionals potentially involved in a collaborative case, the work that they are doing is very focused toward your settlement. There is no waste in this process. We meet before meetings to plan a detailed agenda so that your meetings are focused and productive. That doesn't always happen in a litigation, where you can sometimes be sitting in court, each with your own attorneys, for hours on end before your case is even called, and no work being done on your matter. So it really does make sense to consider a collaborative divorce. Although it can be a costly endeavor, it is money well spent. Focused money that helps you reach a solution for your family that is detailed and tailor-made. People often ask about how long the process will take. In the alternative methods of mediation and collaborative, you have a tremendous amount of control over either how fast or how slow the process goes. In comparison, when you're in a litigation, you're at the mercy of the court. You have to show up when they tell you to. You have to stay there until it's over, and it can go on for months, if not years, with no control and no input from you into how long that goes. What's so nice about mediation and collaborative is that you pick the times when you want to come in for an appointment, times that are convenient for you. You can meet once a week to keep the process moving fast, or you can take a considerable amount of time in between sessions to give some thought to the options that we discussed. In either method, once the settlement is signed and filed with the court, it will be a few months before your divorce is final, and that is out of your control, but the rest of it can all stay within your control, making these alternative methods a great option for you. I invite you to reach out to us at the Joseph Law Group to learn about your options in divorce. Why on earth would you leave everything that is so important to you, your family, your home, your children, at the mercy of the court for a judge to make decisions for you and your family, when you have the ability to keep those decisions within your own control? And certainly it may not be how you always hoped your life was going to turn out, but you can help have an impact on how it is moving forward.